Ebusia aha attention TV so kwaba ade eba so gospel musician Joyce Blessing adodo na nim no as Unbreakeable na say mu ananse na etwemi as the video bi trend ama me agrada ranjete ma part e de betu dwa watch mu achira Joyce Blessing enya booking hat I say the answer ana warrior na video na pictures bi so so security it was social media so Joyce Blessing bi mu a say na pushie nkuma ye ne de we so asanso ato abonte na chese booking hat ya na Joyce Blessing ewo mi na Ghana for kasa bebre de fasa asem ya esi ho na ye expect say Joyce Blessing na baba abonte abeka mo asem na so ne odi nsem bi abetoto abonte a wo kire mo akire say a free management or our dema media for any public for any fans na letter no or say senior SCA any management of Joyce Blessing wishes the general public to regard the spin being placed on a viral video currently circulating on social media to place Joyce Blessing in a bad light. This video is first of all an old video of a loving wife expressing private feelings to her husband, and the other content were not meant to be circulated publicly. I say it is rather unfortunate that certain persons are doing everything to destroy the hard-won reputation of a talented and inspirational musician. It is obvious that the intent of the circulation is to target and destroy this reputation. Management and her legal team has initiated investigations into this matter, and the culprit shall certainly be held responsible. We urge all the cautions and desist from further circulation of this rather private video. Joyce Blessing does not in any way, manner, or form condone any unhealthy behavior, and she would continue to act as a positive source of inspiration to all those who have faith in the Lord. And their management more signature was here and it's archery. Now Joyce Blessing chirimo and the management chirimo video I circulate and Joyce Blessing and wine no ebusia for nani na old video time na on ne nikunu ewo ho na wada so wa mu no won say e mani bo wa bia wukumi tukwa na aka onko na okondo a na wutimi bia ntie bia na video ni bi ana Joyce Blessing de man nikunu a ebi ekoka agrada nsa na so management afa atwo ho say nipa wo di say juma no obehwe say omo no ebedi emrakwan. So Attention TV so dynamic house Attention TV Facebook, YouTube, Twitter kwaya Attention TV GH numbers so aka say wa pese go juma de ru edima no numbers na equally down of abako na one marketing department no and twetwe nkoma kwa university so akoye tumeko bia wasa masina mbede jumedi ebesom ne number N 054 8302985. Akusia Sparkles Macau.